Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Kirkland Ultra Clean is probably one of the most surprising contenders in the laundry detergent aisle, consistently delivering powerful stain removal and a fresh scent without breaking the bank, making it a go-to choice for savvy shoppers looking for premium cleaning performance at an unbeatable value, proving that you don't need to spend a fortune to achieve brilliantly clean clothes every single wash. Number 5. Kirkland Signature Ultra Clean Laundry Detergent. Discover a new standard of laundry cleanliness. This powerful detergent is engineered to deliver exceptional results, making your clothes look their best. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt and grime. Its advanced formula effectively tackles tough stains, ensuring your fabrics are spotless after every wash. Not only does it clean, but it also leaves your laundry with a refreshing, long-lasting scent. Enjoy the feeling of fresh clothes throughout your day. This generous 120-pack offers incredible value and convenience. You'll have plenty of detergent on hand for numerous washes, simplifying your household chores. Simplify your laundry routine with this reliable solution. It provides consistent, powerful cleaning performance, making laundry day easier and more efficient. What we like. This offers exceptional value for frequent use. Its bulk size ensures you won't run out quickly. If you have a large family or do laundry often, this is your go-to for consistent, powerful cleaning. What people say. Number 4. Kirkland Signature Ultra Clean Laundry Packs. Tired of messy spills and complicated measuring? These innovative packs are designed to simplify your laundry routine. Just one delivers powerful cleaning. They penetrate deep into fabric fibers, tackling tough stains and odors. Your clothes will emerge fresh and remarkably clean after every wash. No more guessing or pouring. Each pre-measured pack ensures the perfect amount of detergent every time. It's laundry made easy. Experience a delightful, long-lasting scent that keeps your clothes smelling great. They leave your laundry with an invigorating freshness you'll love. This large pack offers incredible value for your household. You'll have plenty of washes, making it a smart and economical choice for busy families. What we like. These provide ultimate convenience with their pre-measured doses. Just toss and go, no spills or guesswork. If you're looking for a hassle-free laundry solution or want to simplify your routine, these are an excellent choice. What people say. No positive product features could be extracted as the source JSON provided was empty. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 3. Krikland Signature Ultra Clean Laundry Detergent. Experience a new level of clean with this premium laundry solution. It's designed to tackle tough stains and leave your clothes looking their best. This detergent delivers an ultra-clean performance every time. It penetrates deep into fabrics to lift away dirt and grime effectively. Enjoy the quality of a premium product for all your laundry needs. It's formulated to care for your clothes while providing exceptional results. With its 2x concentrated formula, a small amount goes a long way. This means fewer refills and more washes from a single bottle. Not only is it powerful, but it's also incredibly efficient. You'll appreciate the value and performance it brings to your laundry routine. What we like. This concentrated formula delivers powerful cleaning in a smaller package. Its premium quality means deep stain removal with less product. If you value efficiency, powerful cleaning, and want to reduce your environmental footprint, this concentrated option is ideal. What people say. No reviews provided in source to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 2. Kirkland Signature Ultra Clean Laundry Detergent. Experience a new level of clean with this exceptional laundry detergent. It's designed to tackle tough stains and leave your clothes looking their best. This formula delivers an ultra-clean performance, ensuring deep cleaning for all your fabrics. Say goodbye to dirt and grime with every cycle. Specifically formulated for high-efficiency washing machines, it works effectively with less water. This ensures optimal cleaning while being gentle on your appliance. With enough detergent for 146 loads, this product offers incredible value and convenience. You'll enjoy fresh, clean laundry for an extended period. Its generous 194 fluid ounce size means fewer trips to the store. This large bottle ensures you always have plenty on hand for your family's laundry needs. What we like. This liquid detergent is specifically designed for machines, ensuring optimal performance without excess suds. Its generous volume provides many loads of clean laundry. If you own a high-efficiency washer and need a reliable, long-lasting detergent, this is perfectly suited for your needs. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract any points as the input source was empty. Number 1. Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater Wipes. Life with little ones can get messy, but stains don't have to be a permanent part of your day. These wipes are here to save the day, tackling spills and splatters with ease. Designed specifically for tough food stains, they work quickly to lift and remove messes. You'll be amazed at how effectively they clean up spills. Perfect for busy parents, this compact pack fits easily into any diaper bag or purse. Take them everywhere for instant cleanups, no matter where you are. They are unscented and feature a phosphate-free formula, making them gentle on sensitive skin and safe for your family. You can use them with confidence. From car trips to restaurant visits, these wipes are an indispensable part of your baby travel kit. They ensure your little one stays clean and fresh, wherever your adventures take you. What we like. These wipes are a lifesaver for immediate stain treatment when you're out and about. Their compact, unscented design makes them perfect for quick cleanups on clothes or fabrics. If you're a parent dealing with messy eaters or frequently travel and need instant stain solutions, these are an absolute must-have. What people say. No reviews available in the provided source to extract points from. No reviews available in the provided source to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.